Are you looking for a reliable company for hardwood floor installation in Ottawa? Solomon Flooring is a local option worth considering. The company installs both solid and engineered hardwood, giving homeowners choices for different rooms, subfloors, styles, and budgets. A quality hardwood floor starts with proper preparation. Solomon Flooring's installation process includes measuring the room, inspecting the subfloor, preparing the surface, fitting the hardwood, installing transitions and trim, and cleaning the work area when the project is complete. The team can also help you choose the appropriate wood species, plank width, grade, and finish for your home. This makes it easier to select flooring that complements your space while meeting your practical needs. Another advantage is the company's focus on clear, written quotes. Your estimate can outline the materials, labor, preparation, removal, disposal, and other work required for the installation. A detailed quote helps you understand the complete project before work begins. Solomon Flooring also serves homeowners throughout Ottawa and surrounding communities. Whether you are replacing an older floor, renovating a room, or installing hardwood throughout a new home, the team can assess the space and recommend an appropriate installation plan. So, is Solomon Flooring the right hardwood floor installation company? If you value local service, careful preparation, clear pricing, and professional installation, Solomon Flooring deserves a place on your shortlist. For hardwood floor installation in Ottawa, visit solomonflooring.ca and request a free written quote. Want your business highlighted? Send us a message.